Imagine a creature so colossal that it dwarfs even the largest land mammals. Its heart, the size of a small car, pumps blood through a network of arteries as wide as sewer pipes. Its tongue alone weighs as much as an elephant, and its mournful songs echo for miles across the abyssal plains. This is the awe-inspiring reality of the giant whale, a testament to the boundless wonders of the natural world. These magnificent creatures, shrouded in an aura of mystery and majesty, continue to captivate our imaginations, beckoning us to unravel the secrets of their deep-sea realm. Since time immemorial, tales of giant whales have been woven into the fabric of human history and mythology. Ancient mariners, encountering these leviathans on their voyages, returned with stories of colossal sea monsters, their accounts a blend of awe and trepidation. These encounters, often imbued with superstition and fear, gave rise to legends of kraken and other mythical sea beasts, solidifying the whale's place in our collective consciousness as creatures of immense power and mystery. From the sleek, hydrodynamic form of the blue whale, the largest animal to have ever lived, to the enigmatic and elusive sperm whale, plunging to unfathomable depths in pursuit of giant squid, each species of giant whale possesses its own unique allure. Their very existence challenges our understanding of life on Earth, reminding us of the vast, unexplored frontiers that still exist within our own planet's oceans. Yet, despite their imposing size and strength, giant whales are remarkably gentle creatures. Their lives are a delicate balance of survival and social interaction, their days spent navigating the vast expanse of the ocean in search of food, mates, and suitable breeding grounds. To truly appreciate the magnificence of these creatures, we must delve deeper into their underwater world, exploring the biological and ecological marvels that define their existence. The ocean depths, often perceived as a realm of perpetual silence, are actually alive with sound. Among the most evocative and haunting of these underwater symphonies are the calls of giant whales. These complex vocalizations, ranging from deep resonant rumbles to high-pitched whistles, serve as a vital communication tool in the whale's social interactions and survival strategies. Imagine the deep, guttural moans of a humpback whale, reverberating through the water for miles, each sound pulse carrying vital information about the whale's location, size, and reproductive status. These songs, often lasting for hours on end, are believed to play a crucial role in attracting mates and establishing dominance within the social hierarchy. Other species, such as the sperm whale, rely on a series of rhythmic clicks, known as codas, to navigate the murky depths and locate their prey. These clicks, produced by passing air through a complex nasal structure in the whale's head, create a focused beam of sound that bounces off objects in the water, allowing the whale to build a three-dimensional map of its surroundings. The study of whale vocalizations, known as bioacoustics, has provided invaluable insights into the complex lives of these marine giants. By eavesdropping on their underwater conversations, scientists are able to track whale movements, identify individual whales, and gain a deeper understanding of their social structures and communication patterns. Despite their immense size, giant whales are not solitary creatures. Many species, including humpback whales, gray whales, and orcas, exhibit complex social structures, forming tight-knit groups known as pods. These pods, often consisting of related individuals, provide a number of benefits, from enhanced foraging efficiency to increased protection from predators. Imagine a pod of humpback whales working in unison to herd schools of fish into tight balls, their massive bodies creating a wall of flesh that traps their prey. This cooperative feeding behavior, known as bubble net feeding, is a testament to the intelligence and social complexity of these marine mammals. The bonds between whales within a pod can be incredibly strong. Mothers fiercely protect their calves, nurturing them for months and teaching them essential survival skills. In some species, such as orcas, these family groups can persist for decades, with multiple generations traveling and hunting together. These social interactions, often characterized by playful breaches, affectionate touches, and synchronized movements, highlight the emotional intelligence and capacity for social bonding that exists within these magnificent creatures. The study of whale behavior continues to reveal fascinating insights into the complexities of their social lives, challenging our understanding of intelligence and communication in the animal kingdom. The vast expanse of the ocean, seemingly boundless and uniform, is actually a complex and dynamic environment, teeming with life and constantly shaped by currents, temperatures, and the availability of food. For giant whales, navigating this intricate blue metropolis requires remarkable adaptations and an intimate understanding of their surroundings. Imagine the epic migrations of gray whales, traveling thousands of miles each year from their feeding grounds in the Arctic to their breeding lagoons in warmer waters. These journeys, often spanning entire ocean basins, are a testament to the whale's endurance and navigational prowess. Scientists believe that whales rely on a combination of cues to navigate the open ocean, including the Earth's magnetic field, celestial navigation using the sun and stars, and even the distinctive sounds and currents associated with specific geographic locations. They may also utilize memory and experience, following familiar routes passed down through generations. These navigational skills are essential for the whale's survival, allowing them to locate food sources, find suitable breeding grounds, and avoid predators. For example, humpback whales time their migrations to coincide with the seasonal abundance of krill in their feeding grounds, while sperm whales rely on their echolocation abilities to navigate the deep ocean trenches in search of squid. Section 5. A feast of epic proportions. The whale pump and marine productivity. The sheer size and appetite of giant whales necessitate a constant intake of food. Yet far from being mere consumers, these marine behemoths play a vital role in maintaining the health and productivity of the entire ocean ecosystem, a phenomenon known as the whale pump. Imagine a blue whale, its massive mouth engulfing a volume of water equivalent to the size of a small swimming pool. As it filters this water through its baleen plates, it captures millions of tiny crustaceans known as krill, its primary food source. This feeding frenzy, repeated multiple times a day, consumes enormous quantities of krill, but it also releases essential nutrients back into the water column in the form of whale feces. These nutrient-rich plumes, known as whale poop, act as a potent fertilizer, stimulating the growth of phytoplankton, the microscopic algae that form the base of the marine food web. This surge in phytoplankton production supports a cascade of life, from zooplankton to fish to larger marine animals, ultimately benefiting the entire ocean ecosystem. Furthermore, when whales die, their massive carcasses sink to the ocean floor, creating a sudden and localized bonanza of nutrients for deep-sea organisms. This whale fall provides a vital food source for a unique and diverse ecosystem of scavengers, decomposers, and specialized deep-sea creatures, some of which rely solely on whale falls for their survival. Section 6. Guardians of the deep whales as ecosystem engineers. Beyond their role in nutrient cycling, giant whales act as crucial ecosystem engineers, shaping the very structure and function of marine communities. Their presence or absence can have cascading effects on the abundance and distribution of other species, highlighting their importance in maintaining a balanced and healthy ocean. Imagine a pod of orcas patrolling their territory, their presence keeping populations of seals and sea lions in check. This top-down control helps to prevent overgrazing of kelp forests, which provide essential habitat for a multitude of marine species. Similarly, the migrations of gray whales, stirring up sediments as they travel, release nutrients into the water column and create feeding opportunities for a variety of fish and invertebrates. Their presence can also influence the distribution of plankton, which in turn affects the movements of other species that rely on plankton for food. By regulating prey populations, influencing nutrient distribution, and creating habitat complexity, giant whales contribute to the overall biodiversity and resilience of the ocean ecosystem. Their presence is a sign of a healthy ocean, one that can support a complex web of life. Section 7. In the Shadow of Giants, a Legacy of Exploitation. For centuries, giant whales have been hunted relentlessly for their valuable blubber, oil, and baleen. This unsustainable exploitation, driven by human greed and a disregard for the natural world, pushed many whale populations to the brink of extinction, casting a long shadow over these majestic creatures. Imagine the carnage of a 19th-century whaling expedition, the once pristine waters stained crimson with the blood of slaughtered whales. The invention of the exploding harpoon and the rise of industrial whaling in the 20th century only intensified the slaughter, decimating whale populations worldwide. The consequences of this overexploitation extended far beyond the whales themselves. The removal of these apex predators disrupted marine ecosystems, leading to imbalances in food webs and cascading effects on other species. The once thriving populations of many whale species were reduced to a fraction of their former glory, their songs silenced in vast swaths of the ocean. Section 8. A Sea Change, Hope for the Future. Despite the dark legacy of whaling, there is hope for the future of giant whales. International efforts to ban commercial whaling, coupled with increased awareness and conservation initiatives, have allowed some whale populations to begin to recover. Imagine a world where the haunting songs of humpback whales once again fill the oceans, where blue whales, the largest animals on Earth, are no longer threatened with extinction, and where future generations can marvel at the majesty of these marine giants. The recovery of whale populations is not only a testament to the resilience of nature, but also a beacon of hope for the future of our oceans. It is a reminder that we have the power to reverse the damage we have inflicted on the natural world, and that by working together, we can create a future where both humans and whales can thrive. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the deep and deepen our understanding of these magnificent creatures, we must also acknowledge our responsibility to protect them. The fate of giant whales, and indeed the health of our oceans, rests in our hands. Let us choose a path of conservation and stewardship, ensuring that these awe-inspiring creatures continue to grace our planet for generations